A very good morning to all the children of class 4 and welcome to your English language class. Today we will be doing a little bit of revision of the parts of speech, and we will also do the article which is not here but still it's a part of speech which I gave you in the last video. Okay, so there are 8 parts of speech in the English grammar. We use the different parts of speech while writing in English and speaking in English. Their names are given below. Number 1, noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Okay? So, noun is a naming word. Pronoun is the word which is used instead of a noun. Adjective is the word which describes the noun. Verb is the doing word. Adverb which describes the verb and noun also. Preposition is the position word which we did in the last video. Conjunction is the joining words, and interjection is the feeling which we express through words. And the last one which is left, which is not included here in the list, but the articles. So the type of articles, there are 2 types of articles. One is the definite article, one is the indefinite article. Definite article is about something which is exact, clear, obvious, and something which is very sure, like the bus. So that particular bus. Okay, the Taj Mahal, because there is only one Taj Mahal in India, so it will be the Taj Mahal. Okay, so like that. An article is a word that modifies or describes the noun. It is used before the noun to show whether it refers to something specific or not. Okay, now there are articles like if I say a girl, it can be any girl. Indefinite, it can be any girl in the world. An ostrich, it can be any ostrich, and these are both the same, just a is used in front of consonant words and an is used in front of vowels. Okay, types of article: definite article and indefinite article. Definite article is to clear, exact, and obvious about something, and indefinite article is something which is not clear, obvious, or exact. Okay, so I have few examples for you. That is, you can take this down, you may not take this down, this is not necessary, just I am discussing because there is no exercise or examples in your book. So number 1, John wanted to read a book, a comic book, or an comic book, a comic book. Number 2, the class went on a field trip. Number 3, he likes to read the short stories. An is particular, these are all singular. Okay, Lisa put a orange or an orange. Obviously an, because orange is O, or orange starts with O, which is a vowel. Number 5, my mom likes making an cake from starch, or the cake from starch, the cake from starch. The dog caught a stick and stick, a stick, because stick, the S is not a vowel, it's a consonant. I saw an or otter in a zoo. Otter starts with O. I saw an otter at the zoo. I quickly ate the cookies, or I quickly ate an cookies. Obviously not an, because it's only one singular. So it will be I quickly ate the cookies. Okay. Next is an oval is a shape like a egg, or an oval. A oval is a shape like an egg. So it will be both oval and egg starts with a vowel. So both the words will be an. So an oval is shaped like an egg. So I have a little bit of homework for you today, and that's it. That is, parts of speech where you can see. Can you see? Is it visible? It is visible. I guess it is. So here are boxes where the individual parts of speech are written, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines where you have to write 5 words which belong to that parts of speech. Okay, for example, did, me, blue, Mary, I, she, and America, know, quickly. Can you realize, children, these are only words. This is not a paragraph, so don't have the notion that it's a paragraph and you have to take out. These are all words which is given like this. Okay, it's a trick. It is given like this, so that did will go to verb, me will go to, you will do it yourself. Okay, so all these parts of speech, you will put this in your CW copy and you will do it. And this worksheet is your homework number 1, and number 2, that is page number 124 of your English grammar book. That is English grammar and composition, basic English grammar and composition. Page number 124. Page number 124. Seek. I have written this. That is 124, number D. There you have to write about India, your own country, and you have to write a paragraph with the words from the help box. You will do this in your book itself. Okay, use up the whole space given and write nicely. Take your time and write it. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you, everyone. I'll give the answer of this worksheet and school and book exercise in the next video. Okay, thank you, everyone, and have a good weekend.